Major dental restoration and manufacturing, a 5-day journey in China. Traveling to China for significant dental work can be a highly efficient and high-tech experience. Over a 5-day period, a patient can receive 9 zirconia crowns and 2 implant crowns, moving through the entire process from initial consultation to final fitting. The facility utilized for this work functions as a specialized dental hospital focusing on crowns, implants, and veneers. The environment is notably modern, featuring interactive displays and educational exhibits that focus on oral health. With approximately 20 to 30 treatment rooms, the hospital maintains a spotless and professional atmosphere, offering complimentary refreshments and detailed information about their specialist team. The process begins with a comprehensive registration and a full 3D CT scan. This technology allows the dental team to see a detailed picture of the teeth, jaw, and existing implants beneath the surface. Following the scan, a consultation determines the necessary treatment plan. In this case, zirconia crowns were recommended for the bottom teeth to match existing upper crowns, as they provide more strength than veneers. The specialists use 3D mouth scans to help the patient visualize the plan, including the placement of implant crowns. On the first day of treatment, the work involves fillings and the preparation of the teeth by shaving them down to accommodate the crowns. This part of the procedure, while involving local anesthesia, is relatively painless and takes nearly 2 hours. After the teeth are prepared, a 3D model is created and sent to an on-site laboratory. Temporary crowns are fitted immediately so the patient can eat and function normally while the permanent zirconia restorations are manufactured. The speed of modern dental technology in China is impressive. In some cases, a full arch implant treatment, including tooth extraction and the placement of 6 implant posts and temporary teeth, can be completed in just 4 hours. For permanent crowns, a specialized designer performs a precise color match to ensure the new bottom teeth perfectly align with the shade of the existing top teeth. The crowns are then hand-painted for detail and baked in a high-temperature oven at 550 degrees for about 17 minutes. The manufacturing facility utilizes a combination of human designers and artificial intelligence to create dental restorations. With over 15 designers, the lab can design a crown in 30 minutes to 2 hours. The process involves 3D printing molds and using specialized machines to cut the shapes out of solid zirconia ceramic discs. This factory can produce between 300 and 600 teeth per day, including bridges and veneers, which are then polished and sent to clinics across the country. The final stage involves removing the temporary teeth and bonding the permanent zirconia crowns. These restorations are durable, typically lasting between 10 and 15 years with proper care. Even patients requiring extensive work, such as 20 crowns and multiple root canals, report high levels of satisfaction and minimal pain due to effective anesthesia. The integration of the dental clinic and the manufacturing lab on one site allows for significantly lower costs and faster turnaround times compared to Western countries. The total cost for 9 zirconia crowns, 2 implant crowns, and anesthesia is remarkably affordable. While specific prices vary, the entire procedure can cost roughly the same as a single crown and implant in Australia. This efficiency is largely due to the hospital cutting and printing their own dental materials on site. Beyond the dental work, the experience allows for local exploration of nearby historical sites and cities, making the trip both a medical and cultural journey. Character count, 3,968.